Remote control drones offer exciting flying experiences, stunning aerial photography, and advanced features for beginners and pros alike. The best drones combine smooth controls, reliable performance, and great camera quality for endless outdoor fun. Starting at number 1. RELIDOL PK01 Foldable Camera Drone. The RELIDOL PK01 drone makes flying fun and easy, especially for beginners. It features a remote with a built-in screen, so you can see live HD video and flight info without needing your phone. The drone's 1080p adjustable camera helps you capture stunning aerial photos and videos, perfect for selfies or inspecting hard-to-reach places. You'll enjoy smooth flying powered by brushless motors, plus handy controls like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and cool 360 degrees flips. With 2 batteries included, you get up to 25 minutes of flight time, while safety features like propeller guards and emergency stop keep your experience worry-free. What we like: built-in screen controller, beginner-friendly controls, good camera quality, extra batteries included, stable flight performance. Number 2. Q9S Kids Drone with Altitude Hold and Headless Mode. The Q9S drone has bright neon green and blue LED lights that give it a striking appearance while flying. It also features 4 propeller guards, making it secure and durable for kids and beginners. The drone comes with easy-to-use controls, including 1-button takeoff, landing and return, 3 speed options and headless mode. It has an altitude hold function, which allows it to hover in the air automatically. The drone also comes with 2 batteries, which doubles the flight time. Additionally, it has multiple operating tricks, such as 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions, making it a great toy for kids. What we like: easy-to-use controls, durable and tough build, perfect for young kids, bright LED lights, affordable price. Number 3. Hiturbo S20 Drone with 1080p Camera. The Hiturbo S20 Drone with 1080p camera is a great starter drone for adults and kids alike. It features a 1080p camera, 2 rechargeable batteries, remote control and app control, altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, 1-key takeoff/landing, speed adjustment, and voice control. It's easy to assemble and use, and is surprisingly robust and durable. With 2 batteries, you can get up to 24 minutes of flight time. What we like: easy to fly, beginner-friendly, durable design, includes 2 batteries, carrying case included. Number 4. X-Shop Foldable 1080p Camera Drone. The X-Shop Beginner Drone is perfect for those new to flying drones. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allowing you to capture clear photos and videos from the sky and share them instantly via real-time FPV on your phone. Designed with beginners in mind, it offers easy controls like 1-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed settings to match your skill level. You also get 2 rechargeable batteries for longer flying sessions. Plus, its lightweight, foldable design means you can take it anywhere without needing FAA registration, making it a convenient and fun gadget for kids and beginners alike. What we like: easy to fly, foldable compact design, beginner-friendly controls, 1080p HD camera, includes 2 batteries. Number 5. Hiturbo Beginner Drone with 1080p Camera. The Hiturbo 1080p Beginner Drone is designed to help you capture clear aerial photos and videos with its 1080p HD camera, making it perfect if you're new to drones. Its altitude hold feature keeps the drone steady at the height you choose, so your shots stay smooth and stable. With 1-key start and headless mode, taking off, landing, and controlling the drone becomes simple, even if it's your first time. You can also switch between 3 speed modes to match your skills and use gesture selfies to take creative pictures without hassle. This drone offers fun and easy flying for beginners. What we like: beginner-friendly controls, durable lightweight design, gesture photo and video features, foldable, portable with carrying case, includes 2 batteries.